Welcome Philippines! So, nandito na tayo guys.
Ay, hindi ka nagpasundo. Thank you.
So, dito na tayo guys sa Philippine Airlines. Going to Lawag.
We kindly ask to maximize the use of the overhead storage bins. Small items like backpacks may be placed under the seat in front of you. Thank you.
61F na tayo, di ba?
Ja? It's pretty probably. Ik zou wel altijd ticket.
Basta labas.
Yung kasi kasi
Small bag sa ilalim na lang po. Small backpacks po. Yes, small bag na lang po. Pwede po.
Sige, sir. Hi, sir. Thank you.
Together to tighten the loose end of the strap. To loosen, turn buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift thumb of buckle. Pull free and to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Push tape around your waist. Push and to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow it to mount tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings and immediately grab the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. Fire extinguishers are positioned around the aircraft. Instructions on how to use them are seen on the fire extinguisher buckles. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seatbelts in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stored in your seat pockets with the shades open and your tray table stowed. Once again, welcome.
So we are now in Lawag. Guys. So let's go guys. So punta na tayo doon. Claim natin yung ating bag. So ito guys yung Lawag International Airport. Ang luwang ng kanilang space. Ayan. Ang paliparan dito.